Well, if you couldn't already tell, we're ice fishing today. They've got an auger over there, but it's slow fishing over there. So, see if I can find some perch over here. There, it doesn't need to be that big. I'm not catching giants today. Nothing so far, it's kind of strange. See, so I'm jigging right above the bottom. Try that out. Maybe I'll give it one reel. Give the bite. Ah, missed him. Ah, missed him again. Darn fish. Ah, big bite. Got him. Did he come up? No. There we go. Little tiny guy. You wanted it though. Yeah, look at that. Little baby perch. Oh, back you go. Yeah, kind of slow today. I was expecting a lot more action than this. Me and a friend were out here the other day. Trying to remember where we were. We were in this general area. I think we were a little further that way. Missed him. Got him. Another little one. Back you go. Alright, there we go. We got gloves on. It'll make catching fish a lot harder, but a lot warmer. Drag? Nah, I missed him. Oh, got one. Ah, missed him. Come on, dude. Alright, I think the spot I was at the other day is just right up ahead. So I'm gonna go over there and chop a hole quickly. Here. There we go. As long as I can catch fish through it. Alright. Here we go with spot number 2. Or I guess number 3. I guess let's give it a shot. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Whee! It's slick. Whew. It's getting me soaked. Burr. solid bite.
Also, within that time frame, you get a point.
Oh, really? Oh, got one.
Oh, we got one. Oh,
Feels better. Here, buddy.
That's a big one.
There we go.
Yeah.
Fish. Fishy fish. Oh, I got another. Ah, dang it. Got off. There we go. I'm gonna stay here for a while. Better than the other spot. Not by much. That's a tiny fish. Maybe not quite. There we go. That was a cool takedown. Just a little guy. Chunky little feller. That. Yep, that indeed is a fish. Oh, whatever. Get this guy unhooked. Drop him back down. There he goes. Come on. Tangled out of my line. Dang. Yeah, there's some really tiny ones down there. Come on, dude. Oh, got him. Oh, he came off. Come on. That felt like the best of the day. Boom. Got him. Come on, baby. Come on, be a big one. You're definitely little. You're fighting like a tiny one. I mean, pretty small still. Pretty small. I think this one goes back. Boom. There's another little one. Kinda hope he just gets off. Oh my goodness. Look at that guy. Look at how little he is. Got him. Oh, did he come off? I think he came off. Make sure. Boom. Ah, came off. Got him. There we go. We'll keep this one. Pretty little. I mean, so slow out, might as well. Alright, I'm here at a different spot. The other people are way the heck over there. I'm on this pressure ridge here. I'm going to chop a few holes, one close-ish, one in between here and the shore, and one pretty close to that log over there. And I'm going to see if there's anything good. So, yeah. I mean, it's been a super slow day, so might as well try some new stuff out. All right, that's hole number one. Let's see if there's any fish in here. All right, I'm gonna leave that to just soak in the water there. Chop one a little bit closer. Got him. Right away. Right away. Decent little perch. Come here, buddy. Here, dude. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I hooked real good. Oh, had him. Oh my goodness. Well, we found a good fishing. This guy's like pale. That's cool. Oh, had him. Come on. Oh, had him. Got him. There we go. There's a little better one. Come here, buddy. There we go. Okay. I don't really feel like... Oh, got him. Nice. Alright. Well, I'll see you on the other side. The bait down there. Got my sleeve a little bit. Here we go. Alright, not a lot more action here. I'm gonna head over that way, see if there's anything over there. Otherwise, I don't know how much longer we'll stay. It's pretty chilly out here. Ah, there we go. Tiny guy. Yep. Super tiny guy. Oh, there we go. Just a little guy. Come here, buddy. Oh, there we go. Got him. Pretty chunky little guy. Back in the hole you go. Oh, that one felt really heavy. Oh, I got something little. Yep, very little. Oh, that feels heavy. Ah, snagged him, dang it. I hate it when you snag little tiny fish and they feel so big. Son of a gun. Got him right on the gill. Come here, buddy. Yeah, right there. That ain't hurting him too bad. He'll be fine. Kind of sucks though, because I thought he was a big one. Alright, I've moved a few times. Not a lot of luck. I just chopped another hole, so I'm gonna head over to that one and see if there's anything in it. Oh, got him. Oh yeah, there we go. First fish in a minute or two. Hey buddy, calm down, calm down. There we go. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna call it quits there. It's a pretty slow day. Mostly little ones. But you know, I caught some fish. So, well, if you like that, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. There'll definitely be a lot more like this, you know, ice fishing season. Especially in the summer with camping and stuff. It'll be lots of fun, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.